Hello. It's me, Chef Mike, and I had a pretty cool idea tonight. I'm gonna cook chicken quesadillas with sour cream sauce and picante. Mike, you've already used that. I know, but it's such a good way to cook chicken. So, are you basically doing the same thing? What's the point of a video? I want people to see how you can use that chicken other than just the enchiladas. I got hot and I got hot. So what do we got? Belly aches? I might even throw a chicken bouillon in this paste. Our chicken, I'm gonna take like 3 pieces because I don't need that much. I'm gonna cut the chicken like this. Put it in the pot, cover it with your picante. Maybe add a chicken bouillon if you want. I'm gonna do it. Oh, I don't think I have chicken bouillon. Okay, so let it boil for a while, 30 minutes. What am I cooking it in today? Dutch oven. I got it in there with the picante. We don't want it to have too much liquid. I'm gonna put the lid on top of this. Stir it around so it doesn't get stuck to the bottom. You're gonna stab the chicken like this, and you're gonna just pull the chicken away. Tear it apart. Mixing the chicken around while you're doing it to make sure the sauce is mixed up with all the chicken shreds. Maybe we'll have enough sauce after all. Do some sideways action here. Ooh. You see how the sauce is gone on the bottom? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this mess in the garbage. Just kidding. Strainer. And I'm gonna save what it strains, and I'm gonna add sour cream to that to make something to dip my quesadilla in, boy. Ah, it's so hot. Right? We're just gonna press it. Press it, okay? All that loosey-goosey picante doocy. You hear that? That's what good chicken sounds like. Now, if you want bigger chunks, leave it. This is your food, not mine. This is my food. What you have in front of you is your food. Or your phone. Or your toilet paper roll on the wall. Are you pooping? Nice. So you're gonna take a glob, put it in there, mix it around, the blob in there, and stir it around. Oh, a little bit more this time now that I've gotten an idea. Just mixing it up. That's really good. You cook a tortilla on a pan.
Obviously.
Round it at the edges if you can, because you have to get under that thing and flip it. All right, so I grabbed this pan because it's pretty much the same size as the tortilla. It is steep. It might be hard to get under the tortilla, so maybe I should use a different pan. This one's rounded. So you're gonna need a rounded pan. I picked this one because it's the size of the tortilla. Nothing on the pan. No spray, no butter, nothing. Put it on the thing, turn the burner on, put your chicken on or your cheese, whatever you want to put on it, and then put the top layer on and just let it sit. All right, so I put my chicken on the top. I'm gonna put some cheese on the top here, and I'm gonna put it on top here, press it down. Get your spatula ready and watch it. Smells a little burnt. I'm gonna. Oh crap! It spilled out the side. I said that would happen. Leave it. Get your plate ready. All right, it's done. Missing a bit. Stop. So here's my quesadilla. It's burnt. I think it's gonna be really good though. So I'm gonna take that leftover that I have, and I'm gonna add sour cream to it. Mix it around. Let's try it. Sauce on it. Wow. Oh, that's so good. All right, it's spicy. The cheese is really good on it. I don't think it needs anything else than that, man. We'll see you next week. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss.
I ever realized who I'm supposed to be, supposed to be, supposed to be.